How to apply all energy recommendations automatically in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to enable every suggested setting in one go. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Power and Sleep on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down and click on Energy Recommendations. From here, you'll see a list of all the settings Windows is recommending to help lower your energy consumption. Following this, instead of going through each one individually, simply click Apply All at the top of the page to enable every recommendation at once. After that, Windows will automatically apply all the suggested changes straight away, including things like adjusting screen timeout, enabling Energy Saver, and reducing brightness. From here, each recommendation will show a check mark next to it once it's been applied, so you can confirm everything went through correctly. Finally, if you ever want to revert any of the changes, you can go back into each individual setting and adjust it manually to whatever you prefer. That's how you apply all energy recommendations automatically in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!